What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 8. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change the text tone or the text message sound on the iPhone 8. So first thing we're going to want to do is start off by going into settings. Once you are in there, we're going to scroll down until we see the sounds and haptics. Go ahead and select that. And from here, we're going to scroll down until we see the text tone. And from here, there are several different options. So if you just want to change the tone, currently it's set at the default with just that sound. You can go ahead and pick whatever one you like. There's just a list of default ones. And for the text tones, they usually have the shorter ones, just a shorter, quick. If you wanted something longer, you can also go to the ringtones and select some of those. And it'll just be like a call almost, where it's going to keep beeping until you check it. So I do recommend going with the alert tones, something short and quick. There are also the possibility of adding a custom one by going into the tone store, purchasing one, downloading one, download all purchased tones. You can bring them back in here. There's also a vibration. So when you get a text message, there's the option of turning your text message, getting a vibration with your text message. So I'm not sure if you guys heard those, but they're just like a different type of vibration for just having the possibility of having a different vibration instead of regular vibration. They got little different tones for whatever reason. And if you don't want any kind of vibration, just the sound, go ahead and select none, and that'll turn that vibration off completely. It'll just be the sound, it'll just be the beep. So that is how to turn your, change your notification sound for text messages on the iPhone 8. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who is looking for this information, go ahead and share that with them. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.